big, little, big.
I'll be little.
You started?
Yeah. Hey, Ethan.
Hey.
Hey.
Hello.
We're really sad that we can't be at your wedding, but we're really thankful for our really cool brother-in-law,
Brother-in-law,
who's great at film. So we'll be with you in spirit and online, watching your stream.
Yes.
So we were kind of talking about our memories of you and reminiscing, and I was thinking of my very favorite memory. I have tons, but my very favorite is when you were Avery's age, and I had just gone to the Air Force, and I just got back after 6 months of being gone for the first time, and you came sliding in like this, and you had your Air Force shirt on, your Air Force pants, and you're like, "Welcome back home," and you were being so goofy. You've always had such a great way of cheering people up and bringing joy with your goofiness, and we're so thankful.
And my favorite memory is pillow face, where you smack the person in the face with a pillow, not that hard, and then you make a silly face, and each time you smack the person, it's a different
Like
silly
this?
face.
What about, isn't it your favorite time when Uncle Ethan dressed you up in garbage bags and put it online?
No, that's the worst.
You put it online, really?
What?
My favorite memory of Uncle Ethan is all the times that I've got to beat on you, and even though that's not going to change, at least you have Emily there to defend you.
Yeah, speaking of Emily, who can forget the very first Christmas present? I'll let you guys tell about that. That's when I knew that Emily, you were the one. Perfect for my brother. All teary-eyed. I love you guys.
Congratulations! Hopefully you guys got a baby.
Yay! Have a
Yay!
baby!
Cousin time.
Alright, press pause.